Hey guys, so we got the headlights in for this Toyota Avalon, and we're gonna change them out. We got a new set from eBay, delivered from Taiwan. eBay's never really failed me when it comes to stuff like this. So let's get started. Shouldn't be too hard. Got a bolt here, bolt here. We're gonna take this screw out. Take this out. We'll probably just go ahead and take the grill off first. And then there's a bolt here, and that should be it for this headlight to come off. And then it's just the same over here. Bolt, bolt, bolt down here. Take this off and this off over here, and they should fall right out. So let's get started. Alright, let's go. Let's see if we got the right size on here. What is this? That's our 11mm from the Ford. We want our 10mm. Yeah. And you know what? We're going to put an extension on it. Let's tuck these out. Set them right there so we don't lose them. Yeah, I got another extension here. Let's double up on our extensions here to get this bolt down in the bottom. I'll show you that one. Down in here. There we go. Alright, let's grab our screwdriver. We got our Phillips. Throw that to the side. We got a little bitty Phillips here. Little bitty guy. We'll throw him over here by himself. This thing feels about ready. Let's get this out of the way. Let's go ahead and take this one off so we can get our grill off here. Well, it might fall off anyway. Hold on. Oh, yeah, came right out. There we go. Set it to the side. Let's see what we got left here on this one. I've got to unplug the bulbs in the back. See if you can get in here and see this. Now this one will definitely come out. There, that one's out. Gotta do the same to this one. There we go. That one's out. feel like. It's never been taken out, so it's gonna be a little bit of a fight. I don't care if I bust the headlight, I just don't want to bust the side light. There we go. Alright. So, this little plug right here plugs in here to the headlight. And it looks like we have a nut right here holding the headlight in on the side. And it doesn't look like, let's see. It's also a tin, so it won't be a big deal to get it off here. There we go. Got that off. Pop that out of the hole. There is our headlight. Assembly. Let's get the new one. Look how pretty that is. And that's going to pop right back in the way it came out. All right. So let's get our new one in there. Put it back the way it was. Get that. Make sure you get. See, this little bar here has to go into that hole. That nut's a little bit tighter than the other one. There we go. Now we're in. Put our nut back on the side. Let's go ahead and get it started. These assemblies came with new headlights, so we don't have to worry about changing the bulbs over. But I'll keep the old bulbs just in case. And then we'll pop this baby back in. Alright, see, this has to pop into that. But you gotta get this up here right so it lines up. Let's go ahead and get our plastic off here before we get any farther. Maybe I should have took that off before. We're good. Alright, let's get that popped in there. There it's lined up in. I want to make sure it's in there good though. There we go. Now we're in without breaking anything. All right. Let's put our little screw back in. Don't over tighten it, it's all plastic. Let's see why. We're going to adjust this out so it brings the bottom out even with that other. See, every time I turn that, it's pulling out, make that headlight assembly even with the. There we go. Don't forget to plug them in. There's one. And here's the other. There we go, we are in. Let's move to the other side and do that one. Let's get our grill back on here. You can see how that little plug goes down. Those little plugs are gonna, I'll show you here. These three plugs, one's gonna go there, one there, and one there. You're just gonna push down in there. There we go. Then we're lined up on the top. This little plug goes in the middle. Our two Phillips heads go right, one on each side, and that's it. And there we go. Now look at the difference. Car looks 10 times better just with some new headlights. Headlight assembly. And we'll keep our old ones. But, oh man, that just makes a huge difference for this car. Get rid of those old yellowed plastic ones that have been sun-baked since 1996, and now we've got some new, nice, clean looking, clear. They adjusted easily, they fit right in. Just beautiful. Gives the car a totally different look on the front. Doesn't look as worn out. The car's dirty, by the way, so once I really wash this car down after I'm done doing all the work on it, this thing will just gleam Nice and shiny blue after a good wax. And the next video is going to be the headliner. So we'll do the headliner next. I've never done a headliner before, but I've ordered it. It's here. I'm going to use the same board that's up there in the ceiling. Scrape all the glue off of it after we take it out. I got some heavy duty glue that's going back on the new headliner, and then we don't have much more to do to this car other than check out the back door. The window's not rolling down, and the lock mechanism keeps locking up. It'll lock with the key fob, but it won't unlock with the key fob. And so you have to stick your hand in there to get in the back door on the passenger side. That was really quick, really easy. I got both headlights for maybe, I think, less than 200 bucks on eBay. They came with the bulbs, assemblies, fit right in. They're brand new, made in Taiwan. Really worth every penny. That'll bring the value up. I mean, you'll get your money back if I sell this car for what the cost was for those headlights. But it's such a good car, I don't know if I'm going to sell it. I might sell the truck I have instead because I don't use it much. I'm on a 2x4 mile island, Key West, Florida, so I have a scooter for all my daily stuff, and then I have the truck for groceries. But I can use this car for groceries and sell that truck while the market's high and it's still worth something. We'll talk about that another day. I'm just super happy with this.